Introducing the slipStream Powerhouse, a versatile pressure washing machine made for the homeowner. Powered by a 224cc engine, this 3200 psi pressure washer is a tap-fed system that can deliver 220 bar, 9 litres per minute. This pressure washer is built to take on stubborn surfaces and transform them from worn out to brand new. Setting up couldn't be easier. Simply plug and play, everything slots and screws in with ease, including your standard garden hose. Turn your tap on, start your engine and get to cleaning. Powerhouse is ideal for cleaning patios or driveways. Our Eco Spin surface cleaner helps deliver fast cleaning results whilst being lightweight and easy to use. The 12-inch wheels also make this machine easy to transport from job to job, and the compact size means it's perfect for storing out of the way. Not only is this machine ideal for cleaning patios and driveways, it can also be used in the garage, cleaning recreational equipment and removing stains from your driveway. Visit our website www.spinandclean.com to find out more.